Guys, and welcome back on Create the Craft. I hope you all are fine. So today we'll be making explosion box. Basic steps are there. So let's start, and don't forget to follow me on the Insta. The Insta ID is in description box. So let's go. So as we are making two layer of explosion box, first we need is a sheet. I am taking a black color sheet. You can take any other color sheet. The measurement is 30 by 30 centimeter. We have to make 9 boxes of 10 by 10 each. We have to make a heart of 10 by 10 sheet. First we have to outline like this. It should be appear like this. See, there's an heart shape on the corner. Similarly, we have to do on the other three corners like this. Now we will fold it properly. In explosion box, we have to make sure the folding should be proper, as it gives a proper shape. So I have folded all. Now we have to fold the corners like this from the center of the heart. This. All the four corners have to be folded like this only. It will be little tricky, but in the end you will make it. You can use any method to fold it. I have used two method. See, it will be appears like this. This should be like it. See, you can see the crease. Now we have to cut this heart shape. Like this, we have to cut all the four corners. We'll be getting a heart shape corners. So for the upper, we will take 14 by 14 centimeter sheet. We have to make 2 centimeter each corners like this. We have to cut it now. Cut the single part of the corner like this. All the four corners should be cut like this. Just a slant cutting for a proper pasting. Now fold it properly. Same for the other sides also. Now fold the cutted part. This is the easiest way to make a covering of a box. Now paste it, the cutted part. So I have pasted here all the four parts. So I will show you how it will be appear. What is the role of this upper part. Like this, you can cover it from upper. So now you can open like this. Okay, So as we are making of 2-layer explosion box, from the second layer we will be having a red color sheet 24 centimeter by 24 centimeter. We have to cut the 4 corners. This I have made across all the 4 corners. We have to cut it. It will appear like this. So the second layer is ready. We will be pasting from the center and just fold it. So here is ready the basic 2-layer of explosion box. See, it will appear like this. So thank you so much guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on the video.